how to use cash out on bet365. Now if you want to use the cash out or cash out your amount on bet365, it is actually quite very simple for us to do so. First of all, you want to launch the bet365 application. Once you launch the bet365 app, you want to simply sign into your account. From the top right hand side, you can see the little login button. Just tap on the login button there and simply enter your username or email and the password and tap the login button. Now after you tap on the login button, you can see from the bottom, you can see the option that says My Bets. So you have to simply go to the My Bets option. Now when you go to My Bets, you'll be able to view your active bets. Over here, some of the bets which are eligible for cash out will display the cash out button along with the current offer. So if your bet has the cash out feature, you'll be able to go ahead and then allow the cash out button. Then you can check the cash out amount, which may be higher or lower than your original stake depending upon how the bet is performing. Then you can tap the cash out button, then confirm to settle the bet. Now there are three types of cash out. One is a full cash out, which will settle the entire bet. The second is a partial cash out, which will cash out part of your bet and leave the rest active. The third is auto cash out, which will set a cash out threshold to trigger automatically when the offer reaches your chosen amount. And cash out is also just available for selected events, markets and bet types. Either way, this is the way on how you can use cash out on bet365. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.